What's going on, guys? This is guy Potok here, and before Enigma goes live tomorrow 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, I just wanted to share a quick video with you how basically I promoted last Brendan and Jono launch called VChomper. So stay tuned with me, and I think you will be happy to see my results, and you more than will be eager to learn what am I doing. So stay till the end. I promise it will worth you. Currently I'm now inside my Google Ads account. As you can see, I created a simple display display ad for VChomper, where I remind people about the benefits of this software and how they can make money with it and how they can use it for their own benefits. I send traffic to my blog, to my bonus page. Basically, I created a blog with a video review about the product, and in this page I offered bonuses, of course, and it was very good. I'm offering very good bonuses, but that's not the point right now. I just want to let you see how in 3 days of launch, 3 days, I got 5.23 clicks. That's 5,230 clicks with an average CPC of 0.05. That's not US dollars. The symbols mean ILS. So if I'll go check, 0.05 ILS means less than 1.5 cent per click. Let's do this here so you will see better. So 1.5 cents for click, less than 2 cents per click. Now if you take average solo vendor, you buy clicks for 35-40 cents per clicks maybe. I'm getting here 100 times less traffic than solo ads. So that means I can send 100 times more traffic to my blog and increase my chances of conversion. So as I said, I send traffic to this blog with my review video, and when people wanted after they decided to pick up the product, they just needed to click here, and as you can see, this will lead them to my affiliate link with a tracking of bonus page. So let's go to my affiliate stats of VChomper, and as you can see, this was the link bonus page that made me more than $1,000. Yes. Don't remind the reverse kangas. This is something else. It's a different traffic source. It's not mine, but my traffic source, my Google Ads, gave me $1,034. I think it was in one night. The most traffic came on the first night, and for me it's night, USA it's morning. So I woke up on Friday morning and discovered I made $1,000 at night while I was sleeping, and Google Ads made all this for me. So I've totally spent 266 ILS equals of $75. $75.24 I've spent on ads, and this gave me $1,000.34 now, and $1,034. Sorry. So this $1,034.26. Sorry. 1034.06 minus 75.26. That made me $958 in one night while I was sleeping. This is totally awesome. I think I would love Enigma launch will be go as that well. And if you want results like mine, I created a full training about Google Ads and what I've been doing lately. And you can learn on this training everything you want on Google Ads, how to drive traffic, how to use my secret sauce, and basically everything I'm showing here on this training. So if you would like to take part of it, I will leave a link down below to schedule a live call with me one-on-one, where I will be explaining to you how you can become a member and what you should do and what my expectation of everyone who want to join my training. And basically, if you want the same results as well, $1,000 in one night, you can learn it here in what this calls AdWords, Google AdWords Unlimited Traffic, because it is, I'm sure if I will not pause this ads to run, it will make me more sales, but I prefer to focus on my next launch. And as I said, I'm sharing this video before Enigma goes live, so I will be doing the same. So if you want, schedule a call with me or wait for my next video what I did with Enigma launch. So basically, thanks for watching, and I was Guy Potok. See you in the next video.